Here we have Unity 2017 with the free Viking Village demo project loaded. As you can see, it's a complete project that includes a quaint village with a scenic view, a beautiful sky, a mouse and keyboard script to control the simulation, and finally a main camera that renders the scene. It's a complete project, so let's just dive right in. Once you import the package, you'll see that Omnity comes as a bundle of mini scripts and plugins, but the only one you will need to add to the scene is Omnity CS. From there, Omnity will automatically expand and add the other scripts and plugins as needed. A big part of our engineering efforts was to make it effortless for you, the developer, to integrate into your project. There are no other scripts, shaders, or game objects that you'll need to add to your scene. Here, we open the scene and locate the main camera. It's titled Camera High in this project. We attach the Omnity script onto the camera. If you open the inspector, you can see the exposed options and even drill into the settings. There are a ton of options hiding in there, but don't worry about it. The built-in projection mapping configuration is set for a full dome theater, the most typical dome display type. And that can be changed at runtime, even after the project is compiled. The developer should focus on developing the application without having to make multiple versions for differing display types. It's all handled by Omnity at runtime. Once running, Omnity will load the configuration. In this case, it's using the built-in full dome config. Then it expands itself into a set of perspective cameras, a screen surface, and a final pass camera that generates the image for the fisheye video projector. You can actually see all this stuff floating around in place of the game's main camera, which has been automatically disabled by Omnity. Although this image being produced right now looks totally distorted, it will look perspectively correct when projected through a fisheye lens onto a full dome surface. At this point, we have a nice first-person full dome perspective. It's important to recognize the implications of the design choices of this application. The perspective of the dome will be rendered from the perspective of the camera it's attached to, and its movement will follow the mouse and keyboard movements. The perspective of the main camera may or may not be what's optimal for the project. In future videos, we will talk about recommendations on how to get the best results. The next thing I recommend is registering Omnity through the Illuminati website with your email and invoice number, so we can send you a free goodie pack full of enhancements and configuration files for various dome types that will make your life much easier. If you enjoyed this video, there will be many more on the way. We will look at ways to optimize things for other dome display types and other advanced usages. I've seen so many cool Unity3D projects, and I just can't wait to see your application projection mapped into an immersive environment.